When you're building a new website, the very first thing you should do is select the theme. The theme is more or less the layout of the header. The only part of your website that is not drag and drop is the header. So really the theme just determines what's at the very top of every single page. And when I say that, it's really where is the logo, where is the navigation, and where is the top bar text. So this fashion theme has the logo at the very top middle, the navigation underneath, and then the top bar being the phone number, the search tool, and then the login and cart over here. This black simple is essentially almost exactly the same theme. It's just the navigation doesn't have a background color by default. So this is a very popular theme. Logo in the middle, navigation directly underneath. And then this Preston theme is also very popular, in which the logo is on the far left, the navigation is in the middle, and the top bar information is on the far left. Anytime you go to swap a theme, you have the option to reset the pages. Typically you don't want to do that, but you can. Also, whenever you click to reset the theme, it is going to publish the current version so you can revert back to it in case you change your mind. But again, the theme should not be changed very often. It should be one of the very first things you do when you're launching a new website. If you have any questions on how to select or change a theme, come up to the search here and you will find great help articles, or click on the question mark where you can raise a support ticket with client services who is there to help you whenever you have questions or you're running into problems. Hopefully you find this video helpful, and thank you for watching.